Dear customer, this is the third video. We want to show you how to install the middle inner mold. First, we install the mold grip with 2 screws, obviously. And now we want to install this. The first thing we need to do is we need to make the main rod stick up. Okay, by doing that. To do that, we need to split the molds. Okay, here's in the servo. This is in the servo. This is in the spindle servo. Okay, servo page. Okay, we press this button, mold splitting up, and we can see the mold is being split up. Okay, the two are going up, and the middle one is sticking out. All we need to do next is we spinning it in like this, okay, until it's tight. Okay, usually it will be it's not like perfect. So what we need to do is we need to lower size. Lower the main rod down, lower the main spindle down. Please notice difference. This is splitting these two only. This one is the whole main spindle unit. Okay, so this one, when it comes down, we can see these 2 screws here. Okay, we loosen them. When we loosen them, the main spindle can be removable. Okay, can be removable. Can be adjustable. Right now, okay, we try to align this with the main rod. Now we need to press this position, lower position. Okay, this is depending on the box size actually, but it doesn't matter because we can do it now and input the box numbers later, or you can do it now, input the box numbers before we install the mold. It's both, either way is okay. Okay, in this position, this is the okay, this is the splitting mold lower position. So now we could find the position for the middle mold and the top mold to align well. Okay, we want to make sure it's on the same level. Okay, parallel. Okay, this looks very good. And now we need to tighten up. Okay, this whole process is just to make sure we install the inner mold and it's on the same level with the top outer mold. Okay, it's a good job. And what we need to do next is 现在是什么吧？部位。Now we 这是什么？部位。这是 locking， 这个是锁定好像。Now we reset it， 这是复位吗？你确定吗？是复位。Sorry, after that's done, we press resetting, but this button translation is not very good.